Welcome back to Interview Screener. Now that your job opening and screening questions are ready, let's look at how to easily add candidates to your pipeline and track their performance. To bring candidates into the system, we navigate to the Uploads section. From here, recruiters can quickly bulk upload candidate resumes or add individual profiles to a specific job role. Once the profiles are uploaded, Interview Screener handles the manual work for you. The platform can automatically share the interview link directly to the candidate's email addresses. Their progress is tracked in real time on the candidate list dashboard. This view gives recruiters a comprehensive, data-driven look at every applicant using 3 distinct scores. CV score represents the standalone strength and quality of the candidate's resume, evaluating their background, skills, and experience independently. A TS score builds on the resume evaluation by combining the CV score with a job description match score, showing how well their profile aligns with your specific role requirements. JF score, or job fit score, is the ultimate hiring metric. It combines the ATS score with the candidate's automated interview performance score, giving recruiters a complete, multi-dimensional view of how well they truly fit the position. From this single dashboard, recruiters can easily filter by these scores, view interview statuses, and shortlist top talent, making the candidate evaluation process seamless, transparent, and data-driven.